So what I was saying that the for the first time in the point of evolution, the class cephalopoda have been well developed in the characteristics like circulation. They will be having a four, like the heart has two or four auricles and one ventricle. Okay, then they will be having a well developed nervous system, that the brain like organ is for the first time is has been observed. Okay, so and the two pairs of kidneys are present. Then these are the like important characteristic or the features for the first time which have been observed in the cephalopoda. Okay, main is the heart and the brain. Okay, the next point is the sexes are separate and the development is direct. Okay, so there will be no intermediate larval stages and all. They are exclusively marine. Example of these members who belongs to the class cephalopoda are the sepia, then loligo, that is the image which is shown is loligo, then octopus. Okay, these are the examples of members of class cephalopoda. The next class is the class Monoplecophora. Monoplecophora, as the name suggests, mono means single, plecophora are the shell, okay, or the covering. So they will be having only one shell, okay, and or plates, plecophora plates, okay, and the body is here bilaterally symmetrical and segmented, okay. Then the shell is formed of the single valve, and the head is without eyes and tentacles. Okay, the gills are external and serially arranged, where there will be five pairs of nephridia will be present for the excretion. The example which is of monoplecophora is Neopilina. Okay, Neopilina, during the this practical time I have shown you the image of Neopilina. Okay, this is the photo of the Levipilina antarctica. Okay, they are exclusively marine. Okay, then next is Plecophora. As the name suggests, means absent, and Plecophora are the like means the is the Plecophora means there will be no plates or covering will be present. Okay, uh, and here Plecophora, the class Plecophora will be having a members like Neomania. Okay, class Plecophora is also called as the Solenogasters. Okay, Solenogasters, Solenogaster. Here the body of this Plecophorus, members of Plecophorans will be worm-like, bilaterally symmetrical and cylindrical. Okay, they are found exclusively marine, found in the deep waters, oceans, bed of the ocean. Okay, um, the head, mantle, foot, shell, and the nephridia are absent. In this members of Plecophora, the head, mantle, foot, shell, and nephridia are absent, and the body will be covered by a spicule-bearing cuticles. Okay, so shell is absent, or plates are absent, and the body is covered by the spicules bearing cuticles. Here the digestive system is straight with radula, and the keel or the crest is often present at the mid dorsal longitudinal line. Okay, there will be no the and one of the thing, that is the body is covered with the spicule bearing cuticle. With this spicule bearing cuticle, or the spicules are secreted by the mantle. Okay, the example of this is the Neomania. The image which is shown is the Neomania Yamamotoya. Okay, The next class is Polyplecophora. As the name suggests, Polyplecophora. Poly means many, Plecophora means the plate. Okay, on the covering. So organism members of this class Polyplecophora will be having many plates. Okay, so the members of this Polyplecophora are bilaterally symmetrical and dorso-ventrally flattened. Okay, and here they are composed. The shell is composed of 8 plates. Okay, and the foot is flat and ventral. Radula is well developed in the digestive system. Okay. um, then the blood circulatory system is open type, wherein the heart and the excretion is carried out by the pair of kidney that are present, that is nephridia, which are present. And here what happens, the nervous system is simple with the two pairs of lateral nerve cords and the several spatial tiny sensory organs. Okay. The example of this class 6, that is Polyplecophora, is the chitin. Okay. Then next class 7 is the Scaphopoda. Okay. The class Scaphopoda are will be having a foot which will be in the boat shaped. Okay, and they are also known as a tusk shell, elephant tusk or elephant tooth. Okay, and the adult will lives in a burrows in a sand and mud. The shell is tubular. There will be opening in both the ends. Okay, anterior plus posterior. No head. Head is not distinct, whereas the eyes, tentacle, and cnidia are absent, and they are totally marine, bilaterally symmetrical mollusk, and they will be having a include tusk shells. All tusk shell members will be included in the Scaphopoda. Okay. The example of this class 7, that is Scaphopoda, is Dentalium. Okay. With this we have completed the classification of the phylum Mollusca. The phylum Mollusca is classified into 7 classes: Pelecypoda or bivalvia, Gastropoda. Then third is the Monoplecophora. Fourth is the Aplecophora. Fifth is the Polyplecophora. Sixth is the uh, Gastropoda, and 7 is Cephalopoda. Okay, these are the 7 classes of phylum Mollusca. If you have any question regarding this, plus before videos or before lectures, then please let me know. Okay, thank you.